Hello guys, welcome to this another unboxing of my GoPro camera. So this is something that I've been wanting to have for a long time, and here is the package that came. So I bought a refurbished GoPro Hero 5, so I'll be using it to record my movement when riding my bike, and I hope you're going to be enjoying with me. So let's unbox it. Another seal from the shipping agent. So inside here we have the SanDisk 128 GB up to 200 Mbps. This is what I'm going to be using on the GoPro. And then inside here we have another box. Let's see what's inside. Yes, I also bought this. This is a helmet strap. It's a helmet strap. Looks like this. So it goes on top on the chin of the helmet, and it's able to hold the GoPro from here, and this is the screw to lock it. And then inside the box we also have an extra battery for the GoPro, USB to Type-C, and some mounts that have some sticker ends to mount onto the helmet or where you want it to be. So I'm amazed that the battery is too small. I never expected this battery is too small. And then inside the box we also have the cage. This is the GoPro cage, so it also has the mount on its own. So the GoPro goes inside here, and I'm able to hold it. Then finally, another small package. I believe this is the GoPro. Since it was refurbished, it does not come with the original GoPro casing. So some air bags, you can see, for protection during shipping. And here is the GoPro itself, and I believe it has, wow, feels heavy by the first touch. So the GoPro Hero 5, it's a refurb but doesn't look like it's a refurb. Very nice quality. I'm loving it already. As you can see, I hope to do some amazing videos with this thing for you to be able to view. So follow my account, also follow my YouTube channel for more adventure as I show you how I move around with my bike. So let me figure out how to use the GoPro, how to open it, and the settings. Thank you.